I felt that they were the first video team, film team that I have worked with who have properly researched what we're doing as a company, and therefore their approach allowed us to feel properly represented in the marketplace. What was nice about the film was not only did we have the on-ground interview shots, but the aerial photography with drones somehow elevated the whole process into another realm, which was lovely to be able to add to the sort of signature of our business. It all worked very seamlessly. In terms of what they succeeded in doing, I would be happy to cooperate with them on any project. To be honest, I was quite overwhelmed by it. I couldn't believe that somebody could capture the essence of what we were doing so harmoniously. It was amazing. I was very, very impressed.